How can I improve my essay for IELTS? Since there are different types of IELTS essays, it is crucial to know the various types of essays in advance. Depending on the type of essay demanded, you familiarize yourself with the main types of IELTS essays to better understand them and answer them more skillfully. Each type of essay requires a distinct way to answer it and a different way to write it. The information you plan to present in the IELTS essay varies according to the question type. In general, these are the main question types you confront. Opinion essays. Discuss your ideas and give a reason for the question you are asked. Agree and disagree essays. You choose to agree-disagree with a statement and give your opinions on it. Two-part essays. You get two questions on a single topic and answer them in the essay. Compare and contrast essay. Propose a comparison between two objects and list the similarities and differences they have. Problems and solutions essays. Write on a problem and suggest the solutions to that problem. Advantages and disadvantages. Write about the advantages and disadvantages of something. You need to answer each separately. Note that sometimes the format of the essay you write is a mixture of the two or more. For example, you receive an essay about the benefits of social media. Here, you may choose to compare its benefits with some of its drawbacks. So, your essay will be a mixture of an opinion essay and an advantage and disadvantage sample. How to write IELTS essay. The structure of essay IELTS. Every IELTS essay has the same structure other types of essays have. Simply put, your IELTS essay consists of an introduction, body, and conclusion. The only task you need to do is shorten the essay and do it in only 250 words. But before doing anything, do not forget to read the question carefully to know what exactly you will write in your paper. Doing this can better prepare you to organize your points and not miss the right answer you give to the question. Back to the form of the essay, it is necessary to know what information to write in each of the sections. It will not be a complex task if you know what to write in each part. IELTS essay introduction. The introduction is part of the response you give to the question. In the introduction, you shortly state the topic of the essay in one sentence and briefly represent some of the background facts you have read in the question. Then, based on the category of the essay, you speak of your intention and clarify what you are going to write here. Note to keep the introduction short and to paraphrase it. It is a must not copy from the question. Because you have only 40 minutes for the essay, it is better to consume less time on the introduction. Essay body. The next part is the body. An IELTS essay body generally has 2 paragraphs since you do not have much time to write more. Each paragraph includes a main idea and 2 or 3 more sentences to support it. Write in a sentence an idea that is related to your evaluation of the question. This sentence is known as the topic sentence as it introduces the topic of the paragraph. After that, you present your pieces of evidence and ideas on the topic sentence. Here is an important tip. Your thoughts and judgments are crucial for this part since each paragraph supports the point you have in mind and write in the topic sentence. So keep in mind the supporting ideas before starting the writing. Another tip you'd better follow is not to give more than one main idea per paragraph. Otherwise, your reader will be confused. Essay conclusion. Finally, you finish your essay by writing its conclusion. This part is fairly easy as you have already introduced and mentioned your main concern and discussed it in the preceding sections. However, your conclusion should be effective and well written. Primarily, these are all you have to do in the last part of your essay. Paraphrase your question and express your responses in short. To do this, Start by restating the answer you gave to the question and briefly summarize the main points. Then write 1 or 2 sentences on your feelings about the issue at hand. Notice to be innovative and paraphrase your answer, and do not tell it in the same language. Another tip is, not to introduce new points in the conclusion as it is unnecessary and misleads the reader. Search Write My Essay 24/7. To find the more information about IELTS essay,